Gift Ostallos Ziba wamuza kuti is an ally and one of the horses vana vanodhonza muopposition valuya kuna Nelson Chamisa auya akaadresa nyika yeZimbabwe tiona SADC summit ayo yapera sanambi namashuka anomuda tokwana Ostallos Ziba noti subscribe like out on the bell icon. Siziva anopinda paendo pake kunyora achiti we must persist in our collective fight against the dictatorship in Zimbabwe, acknowledging that this struggle is far from an easy walk in the park. For 2 decades, the democratic opposition in Zimbabwe has faced unimaginable hardships, lost lives, thousands jailed and tortured, and the passing of our founding stalwarts. Yet we press on. Many have sacrificed their livelihoods, seen families torn apart, and comrades forced into exile. Zimbabwe is a crime scene where a predatory state brutally preys on its own citizens. In the face of such oppression, some have succumbed to exhaustion, joined the ranks of those who perpetuate our suffering. They turn a blind eye to those regimes' evil, which has suffocated our presence and held our future hostage. But we cannot afford to capitulate. We have to fight on. Freedom, wherever it has been attained, has always required a struggle. We must defend our homeland no matter the cost until victory, homeland or death. Tukona Ostallos Ziba vari kuchiadresa vagari munyika yeZimbabwe achiti aiwa kunyangwe zvazvo tiri kuona the dictator, tiri kuona the ruling party ZANU-PF the regime ichiita aiwa zvinhu zviri evil kuma citizens. Anouya achiti kunyangwe kune dzimwe nyika dzakaona freedom vakatoiwana vatotambura, vakatoiwana vatorwa, vachichiedza macitizens kuti aiwa let us fight for this freedom, this is our land, it is homeland or death. Tudze mafungiro enye muri kudiva pamusoro pemashoko ake pinda comment section medu. Subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.